First of all, hi everyone. So first and foremost, you may ask me a question. So you already did this particular content in previous video, right? Why did you post again? Actually, thing is, so these particular batches is only for droppers. So which I'm going to promote in this particular video. Please don't think that just for the case of promotion I'm doing this video. Only thing is, I feel that those two batches are really helpful because in today's morning video also I said coaching is important than self-study. Actually, that video I shooted 2 days back and I don't know about these two particular batches. I just now came to know about these two particular batches and wanted to inform you guys. That is the reason I am making the video. And one more important thing regarding the myths about placements, negative impact on resume, how to convince parents. So I have already said in morning's video, but still I can see many comments in the comment section. That is the reason I'm adding that part also at the end of this video. If you want to use the timestamps, you can use the timestamps. And if you didn't watch morning's detailed video regarding taking a drop year or not, you can watch using the link in the description and also in the I tab. Now once decided what you have to do next. So once decided, so what next? What you have to do? So no problem, we'll discuss. First and foremost, you'll have to think about coaching or self-study. So I would prefer, so that what will be my suggestion is go for coaching. So coaching will really help you. You need a proper guidance because 2 year syllabus should be covered in single year. So whenever like you get some doubts and something like if you join a coaching institute or coaching like that, so mostly now it is online. Unacademy is coming up with this particular batch, early Excel batch for droppers mainly, JEE Main and Advanced 2022. This batch is starting from 16th June, that is from tomorrow. And one more early Excel batch for droppers, #3 for JEE Main and Advanced 2022 is starting from 16th June, that is also from tomorrow. If you want to enroll in any of these two batches, please use the link in the description and use my code CharanYT. You will be getting flat 10% discount. At present, Unacademy is having a bumper offer if you subscribe for 12 months. That is, if you are decided to take drop here, it will surely 12 months. You can get 3 months free subscription till IIT JEE 2022. Unacademy is coming up with this IIT JEE biggest summer test carnival. So you can enroll now for free using the code CharanYT. It is a totally free test series. You can test your preparation levels. And the link for this particular test is in the description, and don't forget to use my code CharanYT. First and foremost, let me clear you the myths of dropping a year, myths on dropping a year. First important thing is, will it affect your placement of the college in the colleges? No, it doesn't affect your placements. It won't create any problem during placements if you drop a year. And 1 year break can create negative impact on resume. These are some of the myths where parents have, where if a student asks, daddy or mommy, I wanted to take a drop year, means their parents usually say this. These are some of the myths I wanted to clear it. So you can show this particular video to your parents also. So if any parent is watching, so no issues, there won't be any effect in the placements of the college. Your child is wanted to take a drop year, you can easily allow them to do. And 1 year break can create negative impact, so it is nothing like that. We can't say like this. So there won't be any issues at all, and it is nothing like everyone gets success if they take drop year, or everyone gets seats. Whoever takes the long term, whoever takes the drop year or whoever takes the long term will not get success. It's only depends on how they are utilizing that particular time. Now coming to how to convince parents. So in my case, my father was okay with the drop year. My mother is also okay with drop year. In my case, everything gone in a smooth way. It is not like everyone will be having the same case. So try to make them understand each and everything, showing them the average packages of tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 colleges, compare the colleges and show them what exactly what is the reason for you want to take drop year for JEE, and try to explain them so that they will understand exactly, and try to ask them to talk with some NITians or some IITians so that they will come to know what exactly so you are going to get if you get one more chance. So that is what I am saying. Try to convince them